Now, can you believe that the West Indies have forced the first test match against Australia all the way into the second day? Seriously though, 180 yard all out on the first day means we're still going to lose. But at least they are competing or have competed on the first day. One of the things though is the fact that there are so many young players and debutants on this team, including fast bowler Shamar Joseph, who got both Steve Smith and Marcus Labuschagne. They obviously caught the Aussies by surprise because there was no analytics material available on these new players. So we catch the Australian them off guard. But knowing the Australians and how astute and meticulous they are, the first innings data will be downloaded on their computers. The analytics will be done and a strategy devised. So watch out for the Aussies in the second half of the test match when I think the chickens will eventually come home to roost. But we live in hope that the Windies will surprise and survive another day or two.